Hello, Dr. Ayo Adenga here. I will be showing how you can enter data into SPSS and use it for your analysis. I have done a video on how to populate SPSS with data from Excel spreadsheet. If you have your data in Excel spreadsheet, you can bring it over to SPSS, and how to do that is simple. Just click on File, go to Import Data, and scroll on to Excel and click on it. It will open the dialog box for you where you can follow the instruction to upload your Excel file. Now, this one you see on the screen, I use that method to populate Excel spreadsheets to this. Now I want to enter the data direct into SPSS. So that's what we want to do now. We're not importing from anywhere. This is going to be entering the data direct into SPSS. So you go to File, New Data. So we have a new SPSS dialog page open for us, and if you look at it, we have the data view down here and we have the variable view down here. So if you want to populate or enter data into SPSS, you use the variable view. So what you do is you come to the first variable. For my first variable, I will title it, I will call it months, and I will make it numeric, but I don't want decimal, so I'm going to change this to 0. So we have different types of variables. You can enter comma, dots, dates, dollar, string in case you are probably entering something like January, February, March, or I'm going to use numeric, just 1, 2, 3 to represent the different months. Okay, so if you, this will be the months. Let me put here, this one is just a label and it's for me to remember what that variable is. Months sampled. Okay, value we put on here now. Okay, and what kind of measure is this? Is it going to be is it going to be ordinal, nominal, or so it's just going to be nominal? Nominal, because if I have 1 to represent January and I have 6 to represent June, it does not mean that June has a better value than January, so that's why it is nominal. Okay, the second variable will be dump star numeric as well. Let me give it a 0. So my label for this one will be quantity disposed by each disposed through each method. Okay, that's my Then the third variable, okay, this will be scale. This will be scale. Then we have more bond. Okay, I think I will change this to government approved method. Gov approved method, and the third one is also 0, will be bond. Of not approved. Okay. And none, 8, right. Also will be scale. Then we have buried. Numeric as well. And the ground. Scale. Then we have, okay, I think I'll just use the 3, and that should be sufficient. Now let me go to the data view. In month I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and for dumpster I have 710,000, 740, 730 for the next one, 730, 745, 760, and the sixth one, 765. Okay, and bond 273 380, and 279 380 286 140, and okay, we're almost there. 282 180. So you see how it's easy to populate now, as long as you have created the variable in the variable view, and you come back to the data view to populate the data view. 1207. Okay, before I move out of this, I want to do something. We have the size of the characters to be 8. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to add 2 to it, and let's see what will happen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. We'll move on to this. 402 180 402 10. So you can then populate your data this way, but in most cases you may not want to do it manually, just because it will take time. If you have a means of probably putting it in the spreadsheet and you want to populate it, you have it in a database and you want to populate the SPSS table, to be very easy for you as long as you go through the proper place. That's to import the data. Six 3 500. Okay. Yeah. I think I'm going to remove 2 here. Okay. So that is how to populate, or how to enter data into SPSS. And if you want to go ahead and analyze this data, then you can do that. But before you do that, it's advisable you save it. So you can save as, and you give it a name. That's I call it waste method. It's disposal method. So you have it saved. Then you can go ahead and analyze. Let's just do something. Let's say, let's go to descriptive statistics here, and let's see frequency. And okay, so we move this. To move these three, just click on the first one, press down the shift button and go to the last one and click on it. Then you have it all highlighted and you can move it into this here. So here we want to have, so what you can do, depending on what you want, you can do mean, median, mode, the measure of dispersion. You have the standard deviation, calculated variance, range, standard error of mean, and so on and so forth. So I'm just going to leave that one. Let me charts. Let's do pie charts. So we continue and let's do this. So we have this, and you can see our pie charts. So for the month of January, which is the first month, we have, let's say we have this one. This is for June, and this is for May, the 5th one, 5, and this for the 4. So let's say for government approved we have this. So let's go back to our table and see which one has 710,000. So that's the first one, which represents January, and just like that. For Don't Start, you have this, and for bonds, we'll see in our pie charts. So government approved pie charts, bonds, then we have the buried in the ground. So you can see, and here is our, let's go back up, statistics. We have 6 for our frequency, and we have no missing value. And you can see all this government approved, this is bonds approved, buried in the ground. So that is how to enter data into SPSS, and you can as well import from another data source. Thank you, and remember to subscribe.